Hello guys, welcome to Hairtune. Today I'm going to be doing two different curling techniques. One is root tonging, one is spiral tonging. Take a section, open your curling iron, put the section of the hair inside, close it, and always release tension. You see my finger always. So I'm working on the roots now. I'm going out, close and in, but I'm always moving one blade. Goes inside the curling iron, close it, hold them, make sure the end is all in, slightly release tension, yeah? Otherwise it marks the hair. That's enough. Open your curling iron, hair inside the barrel and the blade, close it and keep releasing tensions all the time. You see my finger always move so it doesn't create any line. Move out and curl in very quickly, still release tension, otherwise it marks the hair. Move out and in again. I'm gonna do the spiral tonging, totally different techniques. So put the hair around the barrel, hold it, keep it flat, keep it clean, very quickly, always hold the hair until the end, and that's enough. Same here, in, hold the hair nicely and all the way to the end. And that should be enough. Start with the root tonging. From the roots, I'm gonna be brushing the hair all the way, and then I release and let the hair do what it wants to do. Now, same with the brush, I go in all the way and let the hair do what it wants to do. Totally different. This one, it forms the wave much higher than that one. The root tonging has got more of a drop, right? From here to here there is not many waves or many crests. On this side we have more, so both beautiful waves, both beautiful techniques. Thank you for watching Hairtune.